What if I told you there's a completely legal strategy that allows the ultra-wealthy to live like royalty, buy yachts, and acquire real estate, all while paying virtually zero income tax? You'd think it was a crime. But it's not. It's a 100-year-old loophole hidden in plain sight. The strategy is so elegant it only takes 3 words to explain: buy, borrow, die. And once you understand how it works, you will never look at debt the same way again. Step 1. Buy an appreciating asset. Stocks, businesses, real estate. Step 2. Never sell it. Selling triggers taxes. Instead, when they want cash, they go to a bank and use those assets as collateral for a massive, low-interest loan. And here is the magic trick. Debt is not taxable income. They spend the bank's money tax-free while their assets keep growing. Step 3. Die. When they pass away, the assets transfer to their heirs. The massive capital gains taxes are legally wiped out by a rule called the step-up in basis. The heirs sell a tiny piece of the new tax-free wealth to pay off the original bank loan and keep the rest of the empire. You might not have $1 billion, but you can adopt the mindset: stop selling your assets to fund your lifestyle, own things that grow, subscribe to Unshackled Wealth.